Hey, it's Maddie.
It's Maddie, her friend.
You guys told me that you wanted me to burp your name, so I'm gonna burp the people
We have to find
who
the
asked
names
me.
first.
Yeah, I have to figure out what they are. Maddie's gonna try and
She
burp.
taught me how to burp.
My stuff almost fell.
Okay.
Okay, Maddie's gonna burp. That was bad.
That was weak.
Okay, I can't.
on,
I think
second.
one. Yeah, one was Robert, so I'm gonna say Robert.
Okay.
Oh, that was good enough for you, Robert.
Roberto.
I can't really. I wish I could remember, but I can't remember the other guy's name, and he helped me a lot. He gave me like ideas. I think it was like Malcolm. It was like Marvelo.
Marvelo.
No.
I'm amazing.
Marvel. I don't know.
Beer.
So if you're watching this video, guy who asked me to say your name, comment and tell me your name. And if you guys want me to say your names in my videos, just comment and I'll do it. She burped. Okay.
She burped.
I guess.
So, what do you want to say?
Okay, so we watched a video of a crazy girl,
And she was like, I'm using a Diet Coke to make me burp.
and then
She's like, subscribe.
yeah, and she doesn't know how to burp. And
What
we're
else
gonna-
was she doing?
She's like, I don't know, but she was crazy, and she thought she could burp, and apparently
she was like
could
this.
burp. She's like,
Burps.
she's like burps, 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 burps. Here, I'm gonna play a video of her, and see if you guys like can hear it and recognize it.
Oh, just tell her the name of it.
It's called.
Did you do that?
It's in Riggs 22, and she sucks, and she's creepy. Like
Mr. Eggs.
Yeah.
Diet Coke.
Here, listen.
Burp machine.
She can't burp.
She like spins her chair.
Burp. Burp. Burp.
So, Mr. Eggs, if you're watching this, you suck.
22.
22. Oh, Mr. Eggs 22. Even though you're a girl, you're a
Maybe her
Mr.
name is like Mr. Rhea.
Miriggs.
Miriga.
Okay, well, we really have nothing else to say. So, guy who wanted me to say your name, you know, do it. We're gonna be like the girl in the video. So, comment there.
Or there.
And give your thumbs up. And subscribe. Subscribe. Bye. Oh, wait.
Watch this. Hold on.